By the end of this video, your site will have a working book a visit page. A customer picks a service, picks a time, and gets a confirmation email. We will stand up that whole booking chain with one focused prompt, then refine it from there. The example here is Bio, a mobile mechanic in Lagos who drives out to his customers. The pattern is the same for any service business, a salon, a tutoring practice, a cleaning company, coaching, grooming. If people need to book time with you, this is the video for you. This site is almost done. It needs 3 things, and they can make one chain. Pick a service, a time, and get a confirmation. Ready to build? Let's go. Here's the prompt that I'm using. Same golden rule from the Prompting Do's and Don'ts guide. Tell Airo 3 things: what we're building, who it's for, and what it needs to do. We are prompting it to add a book a visit page to my Bio mobile mechanic site. The customer flow on this page should be 3 steps in order. Step 1, pick a service, and we have 5 of them available, as well as approximate amount of time for each of those services. Step 2 is pick the time, show an availability calendar with business hours starting at 9 a.m. and going until 6 p.m., days of the week, which days they're closed, block the right amount of time based on the service the customer picked. That's pretty important to gauge your employee efforts. Step 3 is the contact info. We want to collect the name, the phone number, etc. And when the customer submits, show a confirmation page that says booked. You'll get a confirmation email shortly and send the booking details to Bio's inbox, plus a confirmation email to the customer. Airo AI Builder has finished creating that book a visit. Let's take a look at what it does. You'll notice that I'm selecting the follow link hand icon. You could see that we needed to put in our email address so it knew where to send that information. And you see that it's describing the diagnostic visit, oil change, etc. It shows our timestamps that are there. So we'll select one of those and hit continue. While it's going, I'll start up the next prompt and I'll explain that in just a bit. You can see I can pick a date and then it asks me the specific time in 15-minute increments. I can fill in my information here. And now that I have my information confirmed, I'll select confirm booking as the last option. It says that I will get an email shortly. It is booked. And then the last prompt that we want to give it really to polish this up is to update the confirmation subject line so that instead of it saying, you'll get a confirmation shortly, it will say your Bio mobile mechanic appointment is confirmed and include the service name and date in the email body. As you can see, every piece of this is editable. If you want different hours, want to add, this is a first visit question, want the confirmation to include directions or a deposit link, all of them you can edit. Airo built the foundation, you shape it from there. Now, before we launch the site, let's get it a mobile preview. In the top corner, I'm going to select an iPhone 17 Pro Max and see what the site looks like on that. Most of Bio's customers book from their phones, so check the mobile view. The same 3 steps, the same chain, the same confirmation. The form Airo built is responsive out of the box, but worth a glance before you actually start publishing your site. So let's book a visit, and I can select my option, hit continue. All of this looks good. And again, doing a version of this on the computer is good. I would still encourage you, find a way to test from your own device or from other devices that other friends have too. One prompt, one result. The whole booking chain stood up from that single ask. If Bio wants to add SMS confirmations, integrate payment on booking, or wire up a multi-staff calendar, those are follow-up prompts. He shapes them one at a time, one focused task per prompt, then iterate. Here's what we learned. Airo AI Builder's booking flow handles the core chain in one prompt. Service, time, contact, information. The pattern works for any service business. Refining and adding features is where iteration happens. If you've been juggling WhatsApp threads, spreadsheet rows, or paper notebooks to book your customers, you could try this without paying anything. Airo AI Builder is free to try in your GoDaddy account. No credit card required. Build the form, preview it on your phone, and publish when it's right. Drop a comment if you tried this for your service business. What's the one question you'd most want your customers to answer in the form? I'll work the best ones into a follow-up video. See you in the next one.